What's up, butterflies? And no, I'm not naked, but if you've seen the title, then you've seen that I am going to show you how to create like this heavy, it's got to be less than 10 minutes. I've never tried it, but I've seen another video and I thought I'd try it. So hopefully this isn't a fail and I can like put it on my channel for you to see. So this is like when you're like in a clutch for time and you're like woke up late, hit the snooze too many times or whatever. So I'm going to show you like the quick and easy way to curl your hair. It's going to be like a wavy curls without using a curling iron. So if you like makeup and hair videos and you're excited to see what I'm about to do, then you're in the right place. Just keep watching and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe before you go. So also hit the bell so you can be updated when you see future videos as soon as they go up. So, all right, let's get into it. So what you're gonna need is either wet your hair already or use a water bottle. I have this 3-in-1 texture spray. It's dry shampoo meets hairspray, and this is by SGX NYC. Got that at Walgreens, I want to say. A brush. You're gonna need 4 hair ties and a blow dryer. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I actually already got the shower and I was just watching YouTube videos. Like I really, you know what's crazy? Comment below or hit that like if you can relate to me that who doesn't watch TV like as much anymore and literally just sits on your phone watching YouTube videos of other people. It's crazy. But that's me. That's me. Okay, you don't need it drenched. You just need it, you know, wet enough. Okay. So now we're gonna, yeah, don't mind me. I don't even have a chair. I probably look crazy. Don't judge, don't judge. I'm in my bathroom. Just got out the shower. Isn't this cute? This is like a little towel dress. It's got little pockets. And I'm recording on my phone, so. Okay, we're gonna brush the hair. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Just have it. My hair's already parted in the middle. So I'm gonna make this section in the front, right here. Okay. Literally after midnight and my 3-year-old and me are still awake. She's playing kitchen in her room, and yeah, I'm an awesome mom, okay? I mean, this corona thing has like thrown us all off a little bit. So I just twist it together, and then I'm gonna wrap it around and around and like this little Nazi thing. Nazi, okay. I didn't. Okay, so in this little knot, like bun, if you will. It's a bunsy. There we go. All right. Hopefully this works. Oh well. You win some and you lose some, right? Okay. Do 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 do. Okay. Twist, twist, twist. And let's see. I'm trying to get it like, there we go. Okay. Then we got the back to do. Okay. And you know what? Just open my drawer. You might have to use a little bobby pin. That's easy to do. Just bobby pin it. Twist. Twist. Twist, 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 twist. Okay, hair tie to the rescue. Alright, got more bobby pin up here. Like I said, I'm in the upstairs bathroom. So I don't really have all my products up here. That's downstairs, because downstairs I have special lights put in that are like natural lighting, so I can do my makeup. Looks way better. Way better. This is like the natural lights that came when I moved in here. This is the lights that I was just stuck with. I look like Spice Girl. If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Friendship never ends. Are you for real? Don't go wasting my precious time. If you really love me, then you'll. If you really bug me, then I'll say goodbye. Tell me what you want, what you really, really want. Alright, who was just singing that with me? Oh shit. Good times, good times. I'm a 90s girl. Obviously. Okay. Let's plug this baby in. This is just Hot Tools. I got this from the Michigan College of Beauty, where I graduated here in Monroe, Michigan. I'm going to put this on high real quick.
I even tried to give her candy afterwards. Tried to give her some chocolate. She was like, no. Good.
Oh, wow. Aw. Come here, say hi. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Yeah, so her dad just told me that she just cleaned up after herself without being told to. That's so good. And he offered her chocolate, and she said no. What? What kind of burrito? Says no, you're not. She's not my kid for that. Can I get that chocolate? So I just wanted to. What are you doing?
Sorry, my hair.
Yeah, that's what I just did. You doing a video? You want your own channel? She's crazy.
My own channel?
Yeah, you want your own YouTube channel? So I just wanted to give you guys a note, little tipsy, to use the cool button instead of like high heat for so long. that it's less damaging on your hair. So I like literally had it on high and I held the cool shot button for a while. So what's up, guys? Let's see if this worked. I don't know if I did it long enough. Oh, look at that. Look at those curls, Dad. That's what I call her, Dad. Say hey, Daddy.
On my own channel.
You want your own channel? They can't see you there. You look like a little midget.
I can see my face.
You burped. I used your brush, Ari. Is that okay? That looks so good. Right here. Thanks. I mean, another way you could do this is just sleep all night. All right, go that way with it. Oh, thank you. I'm going to use the spray. All right. Hold on, we'll do it in a minute, okay? I'm almost done. But, yeah. So I'm just spraying it right now. Giving it a little texture and volume, even though it already has enough. So, that's so awesome. All right. Hold on. All right, so if you think it looks good, then I'd probably put some, I'd probably put some, like, oil, hair moisturizer oil or something. A little bit of water right here. Just because it's kind of dry. Oh my God. All right, so here, 1 second. If you like the video and you think my daughter is beautiful, say bye, guys. Say bye. All right. Hit that like and subscribe. See you in the next one, butterflies.